Hi there, and welcome back to ICP DAS USA's YouTube channel. Today we're exploring a solution that can simplify your office device management through ICP DAS products. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another video like this. And don't forget to visit our website at ICP DAS USA.com, where you can chat with our team and find all the products mentioned in this video. Alright, back to it. In modern offices, managing multiple groups of electronic devices can be a time-consuming task. Whether you're dealing with conference room equipment, lighting systems, or other devices, coordinating their control can be a challenge. The TPD-430-H Touch HMI device, paired with the IR-210 Universal IR Learning Module, offers a more efficient solution. This powerful combination allows you to centrally manage and control multiple groups of office devices. The IR-210 features 6 independent IR output channels, enabling it to control multiple devices simultaneously. By programming the IR-210 to learn the commands from your existing remote controls, you can effectively replace them with a single centralized interface. The benefits of this are centralized control, enhanced efficiency, improved coordination, and flexible deployment. In this diagram, you can see the TPD series Touch HMI device communicating through RS-485 Modbus RTU to the IR-210 module, the LC-103H lighting control module, and the DL-1022 industrial sensor. The IR module can help control items such as a projector, air conditioner, monitor, even electric curtains. The lighting control module helps with various lighting options with podium lighting, auditorium lighting, and the industrial sensor helps with temperature and other things similar to that. And the TPD series helps to give various controls to the user to help simplify the process and helps make a seamless integration within the workspace. The TPD-430-H and IR-210 together help to provide powerful solution for streamlining office device management by offering a centralized control and reducing the need for manual adjustments. They can improve efficiency and coordination. If you're looking to simplify your office operations, this combination is worth considering. If you would like to learn more about both products, please feel free to leave a comment and visit us at our website, ICP DAS USA.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.